Welcome to the lecture series of Digital Electrics. Today we will discuss the direct control input signal. Sometime it is required for the functionality point of view. So which type of the direct inputs are available, or we can put it as well as the how it can be utilized. So let's take with the symbolic. Suppose I have a flip flop with direct clear. This flip flop symbol that this is the edge trigger and which one negative. So it is meaning is negative edge trigger. So when it work, clock pulse is changed from 1 to 0. Okay. If the symbol is like as, so this clock pulse is positive edge trigger. And when it will work, when clock pulse is changed from 0 to 1. So this is the difference between the this one. If it is there is not any triangular inside the diagram, it is called as a positive level. So circuit is enabled during this time period when the clock pulse is high, and if it is bubble, so that it is the negative level. So when clock pulse is 0, circuit is enabled, and here it is not work. So this four types of symbol is used for clock pulse. Now, here today we are going to discuss the clear input. One additional clear input is that direct input two types: synchronous and asynchronous. Whenever asynchronous clear, it is clear equal to 1. Here it is negative. So clear equal to 0. Suddenly qt plus qt equal to 0. Clear. Not depend on clock pulse. Clock and inputs. Okay, this is the second type. Now, synchronous clear. Synchronous clear, we know that there is an input. If clear equal to 0, whatever the clock, the output is remain 0. But once clear equal to 1, 0, 0, the no change according to the functional table. So this is a asynchronous. It is not waiting for that things. Okay, suddenly clear is 0, whatever the here. So this is the behavior of asynchronous clock pulse. Okay, now what happens if there is a synchronous? The synchronous wait for next clock pulse, and when this clock pulse is occur at the time, the qt plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the big difference between that things. The meaning is that the clearance direct, similarly SAT is also input available some circuit. So it is in reverse order. When SAT is given, all the outputs are q t plus 1 equal to 1. So in this way, sometime require externally. Suppose suddenly the power is off. We need that every output will become 0 at initial stage. At that time, this clear or SAT direct input is helpful. I hope is it making sense. Have a good day.